Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you create vector-based text in a type layer in Photoshop Elements, it appears in the Layers panel. Remember to select the correct type layer before trying to edit the text. You can also apply layer effects to type layers and change its layer options, just like you would with raster layers. One thing you may want to do to a type layer is simplify, also called rasterize it. Remember that text layers are created using vector-based information. To use bitmap editing tools on a text layer, you must first rasterize the layer. However, doing this makes it no longer editable using the normal type tools in the toolbox. To simplify a text layer in Photoshop Elements, select the layer in the Layers panel. Then choose Layer, Simplify Layer from the menu bar to change the vector information to bitmap information.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.